Alright, hello guys. So today I'm going to show you guys how to get the held item, well, the offsets to get held item from the player. So first, where is our player inventory? First, we're going to want our player inventory. You'll also need a decrypt for player inventory. That should be posted on the reversal thread. If not, there's a guy released a method to dump the decryptions yourself. So you could go ahead and use that. Honestly, whichever one you choose, it's up to you. So let's go to base player because that's where our player inventory is. So if we come down here, you'll see we don't see player inventory. That means it's up here encrypted. Now you'll see like these class names and stuff over here. You go up, so you can see player inventory right there. Player inventory. We can go through this whole list. We won't find another player inventory, so we know this is our player inventory. So that's all set for player inventory. So let's go ahead and take that. It's our field all set. That's our player inventory right there. Now we want to go into the player inventory class. I just opened it over here. You could scroll down in here. I don't like doing that. I just like opening it over here. So now what we're looking for which one is our belt. So I can already go ahead and tell you it's not going to be this. It's not going to be this. It's not going to be here. It's not going to be this action. So it's these three. These are the only ones we should be looking at right now. This one should not be belt. You just test these yourself. This should be where right now. I already know all the offsets. This one's where. I don't know which this one is, but this is belt. OX38. This is gonna be our belt. Now we got our belt. So now we're hopping into this class. Okay, at the class. Let's go down. Okay, so now we're looking for our item list. Now, keyword list. Okay, there's only two lists in here. Only two. Which one do you think it's in? We're not looking for our item slot. The only other list is right here. Go to here. This is gonna be our item list offset. So right now, player inventory, decrypt player inventory after player inventory, and then the decrypted player inventory plus belt, and then belt plus item list gives you this. And you do, I think it's, the count should be item list plus 10. OX10, I'm pretty sure. I'll go ahead and double check that later and add it in at the end of the video. Item ID is the last thing we want, so we can see that our list has a type name. So we're gonna go into that type because 100% of the time that type is gonna hold our item ID and everything else that we'd want to get. Come down here. Okay. So we can see there's just some strings, there's bools, floats, longs. We don't care about that stuff though. Start going through it. Now I can already tell you this one right here is going to be our item ID. That's our item ID right there. And you could go through the rest of these. One of these is probably like the health of the item, stuff like that. If you wanted to do a hotbar viewer, These are just, I'm just purely showing you how to get the offsets yourself in case like in the future someone's not there to post the offsets for you, or you just want to go get the offsets yourself. I'm telling you guys, you'll probably be the first to know that Rust is updated and you can get the offsets yourself. You don't have to sit around waiting on people to post offsets and stuff. Just get them yourself. It's so much easier. I used to be like that, but obviously now I know how to get them and I'm showing you guys so you guys can learn from it too. So now we have all of our offsets that we want from here. Now we could use these. I guess you could use them to get held item. You do CL active item. If CL active item equals item ID of the item you're in inside of item list, then that'll obviously be the active item, and you could go ahead and do no recall on that item, whatever you'd like, you know. So I hope you guys did enjoy this. Yeah, have a nice night or day. It's like 4 a.m. for me, so.